Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Has chrysanthemum started blooming in your gardens? Our plants have already started blooming. As you know, Delhi has a very harsh weather right now. Along with it, there's a lot of pollution. And right now in our garden, the plant's condition is not too well. But still, let's see how many flowers we can get this year by some care. Do you know this pink chrysanthemum was originally not in our garden before? This is actually due to pollination. Due to mixed pollination, we got this beautiful color. And can you see this light yellow chrysanthemum? Earlier, that chrysanthemum was pure white. Like this only, we get many new colors of flowers in our garden. Okay, now let me tell you about some care about how we get lots of flowers each year. Even though our plant's health is bad, we still try to give it care on a regular basis. Like we keep on checking our plant daily if it has any insect attack or any dry or damaged leaves or stems. And we try to remove all those dry and damaged leaves or stems. As you've already seen in our previous video, we have shown that we give kitchen waste compost monthly. But during flowering, potassium-rich fertilizer is a must. That's why in a jar we take some water, small pieces of banana peels and some bioenzyme and let it ferment. After 7 to 10 days, our fertilizer is ready. Then just let it dilute in rice water or plain water. And we give this regularly instead of water. As you know, right now Delhi has a really harsh weather. It is really cold with a lot of pollution. That's why as it is so cold, not much water is needed. So we only have to water twice a week. And instead of watering, we give this solution, as it both waters the plant and fertilizes the plant. Like this only, our flowering had started. Along with giving good fertilizer, you have to check for some insects in your plant. Because this plant attracts lots of aphids and mealybugs, which will totally destroy this plant. That's why make sure that you shower this plant early morning. And sometimes spray bioenzyme or neem oil. We already have a lot of videos on how you can make bioenzyme in your home free of cost. So if you wish, you can check out those videos. We have also made videos where you can learn how to store these bioenzymes lifelong. But let me tell you these steps again very quickly in this video. First, you have to take some citrus fruits peels. Cut those peels into small pieces. Then in a jar, add those peels. If the jar is 2 liters, you have to add 300 grams peels, 100 grams jaggery and 1 liter water. Then leave the rest of the pot empty because there will be some gas formation. Also make sure that you keep in mind that once a week you have to loosen the lid of the jar because you have to let the gas release. Then make sure you do this for 3 months. And then your bioenzyme is ready. Then make sure that you use it and it can be stored lifelong. Bioenzyme contains lots of good bacteria. Even if you add 5 ml of bioenzyme in 1 liter of water, it's enough. I hope that if you take care like this, then your plants will get lots of flowers. That's all. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.